Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima. If you guys have a Kia Optima, you need to remove or replace guys windshield washer, reservoir. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. It's not very complicated, it takes just a little bit of time and you don't need to remove the bumper in most cases, but if you do it, it will be easier and we'll explain why. So make sure to stand till the end and we're going to cover everything from start to finish. So this should guys work on Kia Optima generation 2010 to year probably 2006. Some things will differ, some things may be a little bit different depending on configuration, year build and all that stuff, but the concept will be very close and almost the same with some minor differences here and there. Let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Kia Optima or your car, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get them for a really good price and quick shipping as well. And another thing, if you have a Kia Optima or other car you want to learn about fixing cars, we have guys, that's our main channel, Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. Amazing helpful videos that can save you thousands of dollars. Check it out as well. So let's start on it now. So what do you need to do guys? Okay, when you open the hood on your Kia Optima, on the left side that's where your washer tank reservoir is located guys. Okay, and now you can access that washer reservoir from underneath the car, okay, or in some cases guys, if you remove the wheel, jack the vehicle up, remove the fender liner all the way, you can access that reservoir, but it will not be as easy as removing the bumper. If you need to remove the bumper on this side, you can unhook the clips that attach to the fender liner. Ours is broken and right here you have one bolt, you have a few clips, you can pull the bumper and you can access the bolts. But if you want to see how to remove the bumper, we have a video, okay, or check out the video how to remove front bumper on Kia Optima guys. So right here we need to disconnect the wiring harness for the pump. This wiring harness is for the level sensor, okay, it's right here on the bottom. Perfect, okay, and you need to get all the wiring harness out of it as well. Now on top right here, okay, that's where the coolant overflow tank hose goes to. Okay, we need to disconnect the hose that comes from the pump to the washer jets. And now let's explain where the bolts are located so you know what to do. Some years and models may differ slightly guys, depending on the design, if you have a hybrid, non-hybrid version and all that stuff. So one bolt is out, second bolt, okay, you can see right there. And now some of you may think you have a third bolt, but you don't. Right here you have one guide, okay, where that reservoir actually slides in. So you need to pull to the front, pull down, it comes out. That's where, okay, it slides usually, you can see like that. And this is the windshield washer reservoir on that Kia Optima guys. That's how you remove it. If you want to see how to replace the motor and the gasket there itself, we have the video as well. Check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.